So hello guys, welcome. ACOnetwork is presenting another short video tutorial for all of you so you can learn. Today is all about Google Chrome web browser. So how to download it, how to install it, how to set it as default web browser, how to pin it to taskbar, and finally how to open it back. But before I tell you all this stuff, don't forget to subscribe. Press bell icon to get notified about new videos. Of course, if you like the video, give thumbs up. If you do not like, thumbs down. Some people do not like it. Okay. And of course, share with others so others can learn too. And let's start. So, very first thing to do is to open up some web browser like Mozilla Firefox or Opera or whatever web browser you have. But in case you do not have any web browsers, you can use web browser which is integrated inside Windows 10, that is Microsoft Edge. If you are using previous versions of operating system like Windows 7, 8 and so on, then you will find Internet Explorer and just open it. You're probably wondering, why the hell do I need web browser? You need it just because you need to visit Google Chrome download web page so you can download this installation. Okay, inside of any search engine like google.com, just search for Google Chrome and press enter on the end. And very first link is Google Chrome. But when you go over it, as you see down here, you have www.google.com/Chrome. You can go directly to this website, but just by typing this URL up here in this space. Okay, we are on this web page. Now we just need to click Download Chrome button. Here you can read all this stuff if you want. You can check if you want to help make Google Chrome better and automatically sending usage, blah 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 stuff. If you do not want, just uncheck this checkbox and just click accept and install. However you want, that is all up to you if you want to check it or not. When you click, you can run it, so Windows will save this installation in temporary folder inside your computer and automatically run it after it. Or if you click save, it will save on your default download directory, which is set inside the web browser itself, and you need manually to open up. So as you see, now it is downloaded. But you're probably wondering why it is downloading when I just downloaded it. You see, that installation that you downloaded from the Google Chrome download website, this installation is basic, light version, does not contain this web browser complete package. And that is why when you run this application, it will download the latest version of Google Chrome and install it. And as you see here, this is Google Chrome. It is downloaded and installed. So let's close this Edge program. Okay, now let's set this web browser as default web browser inside your Windows operating system. So every link you open, it will directly open in Google Chrome. To do this, it is practically very easy. We need to click this Start menu button down here. Then click this Settings gear icon over here. Inside this list, just click Apps button. Then click Default Apps, and here we have web browser. Currently all the links and such will open directly in Microsoft Edge. But if you want to Google Chrome, just click on it and select, left mouse button, click on Google Chrome or whatever web browser you want to set as the default web browser. So if you, let's say, select Mozilla Firefox, all web pages and such, when you click on some application from desktop, wherever, all the websites will open in Mozilla Firefox web browser. So over here you can select the default web browser engine. And the last thing that I want to show you today is that you can pin this web browser to the taskbar. It is practically very easy. Just right mouse button click on this open window button in taskbar down here and just click pin to taskbar. So whenever you close web browser, it will be here, and you can move it by click and hold left mouse button and just move it wherever you want. Yep, that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, did not understand something, just want to say hi, or some unrelated question, just type everything below this video in comment section down there. Yes. So until next time, have a nice time, have a blast, and see ya. Bye bye. If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to ask me something, want just to talk, just type everything in comment section below. Don't forget to like or dislike this video, subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos, share video with your friends, co-workers and others so they can learn too, and have a great day. Bye bye.